Yo, what's up? Today we're unboxing this Hasbro Soar Phoenix, but it also says Takara Tomy up there. That's because Hasbro learned their lesson from the last generation burst. I'm glad they did. So yeah, this is my first Beyblade X Beyblade. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Parts here. String launcher and oh, the blade is in here. I have to get that out. Okay. Alright, so I managed to get everything out of the box, and I have to say, like, I really like the box designs that they're going with this time. It's pretty solid. I like it. But anyways, these bays are so small. Like, I actually did not expect this. But yeah, this is actually so sick. A crimson red on the metal wheel here, or blade. I don't know why this part's spinning. What the heck? Okay, so this is called the Blade Phoenix Wing, or Soar Phoenix, as Hasbro calls it. Some quick QR code. I don't know what that's for, but this is the ratchet, I think. Okay, and this is the bit gear flat, and this is what 960. I heard it's good for combos, but yeah, I'm gonna try and put it together. I've never done it before, but let's see. I think it's like that, and then what do you do with this? What? Like, I'm a little bit confused. Hold on. Okay, so I figured it out. So yeah, this new system is pretty cool. These bays are tall and small. Here's a Metal Fight Thief Phoenix for comparison. Like, this spin track is known to be tall. It's a 230 spin track, but it's the same height as a regular bit piece on a Beyblade X Beyblade. But yeah, the size is comparable to like Metal Fight bays. It's pretty small. And this is Prominence Phoenix from Burst. Much bigger. So yeah, it's pretty sick. Oh yeah, and here's a string launcher. Oh, that feels weird. Is it supposed to sound like that? It's like rough a little bit. But actually, no, it's pretty good. Yeah, I fixed it. Alright. I don't have a Beyblade X Stadium, but I'll do a test launch in a Burst Stadium. Hold on. Okay, so we're here. I'm gonna launch it using this. It's a 3-pronged launcher, unlike previous generations. I'll do a light launch first, flat. Okay. And that was a light launch, by the way. Let me try and flower pattern it. Alright. I'm not going to do any test battles yet, because I don't want to ruin the paint already. But yeah, that was my unboxing for this bay.